How to delete shortcuts on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to delete shortcuts on Snapchat. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on a device. The shortcut option is very useful because you can quickly and easily send a snap to multiple profiles with just one tap. However, if you have created a shortcut that you do not need anymore, then to delete the shortcut, take a random snap and tap on the Send To button. On the top of your screen below the search bar, you will see all the shortcuts that you have created on Snapchat. Tap on the plus icon you see there and then tap on your shortcut. On the top right of your screen, you will see the delete button. Tap on that and in the confirmation pop-up that appears, tap on the yes, delete this shortcut option, and with this the shortcut will be deleted successfully. So this is how you can delete shortcuts on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.